Hello and welcome to this little video about the ultimate productivity workshop. Now this October is the final workshop of the year. So this is your chance to get to build your system so that it works for you. And October is the perfect time to do it. We're only 3 months away from the end of the year, and this is the reason why I brought it forward this year to October, because I want to give you an opportunity and the time to be able to build a solid productivity and time management system so that when you enter 2025, you're organized, you're focused, and you know exactly what you want to do. So what is in this workshop? Well, this workshop will start off with your calendar, which is the most powerful time management tool, and your task manager. And in that session, I will show you how to connect the two together. So your calendar and your to-do list is working together. Now in the second week, we're going to be covering managing communications, that's messages, emails, and all that. I have a fantastic little system that I will share with you and teach you how to use, because that will stop email from being an overwhelming headache that I know so many people find messages and emails become. And finally, we will cover the planning sessions, the critical piece of all great productivity and time management systems, knowing what you need to do on a daily basis and the all-important weekly planning session. This workshop covers everything, but the best thing about this workshop is it's live. You can ask me questions at any time throughout the session. You can also email me questions before the session so I can incorporate them into the actual workshop so that you have an opportunity to have your personal specific problems answered throughout the session. And even more importantly, you also get free access to 4 of my mini courses. And it doesn't stop there. You also get a download, be able to download the video and the audio file for each session. So you can come back to it and relearn as many times as you like. Plus, of course, there is a workbook for each session. This is a tremendous opportunity for you to be able to finally, once and for all, create a time management and productivity system that is going to work for you. And if you do this one in October, you are going to find that you have enough time to put the pieces in place ready for an outstanding 2025. Plus, this one is designed for those of you in Europe, India, and the Middle East, because I keep getting questions about this. So just to give you the times are Sunday, or the dates are Sunday the 13th and 20th of October. It will start at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to start at 2 p.m. in the UK and 3 p.m. in Central European Time. I'm not sure about India and the Middle East, but it's certainly during the day. It's not in the middle of the night. You are there. The times are there. This is your opportunity to join this workshop, the final one of 2024. It's the perfect time to get to know your system, build your system so that 2025 is going to be an outstanding year for you. Thanks very much for watching this brief video.